Starting in May 2013, new government regulations on heating systems will prohibit installation of heaters that use metal pipes and vent into a chimney. Only heaters using plastic pipes will be allowed. Those are more efficient, but will cost substantially more to install. Bottom line, if your heater was installed before 2000, now is the time to contact Marshall Home Comfort. You always get expert professional help, and right now, we can save you a lot of money. Don't wait for the price increases. Call today or see us on the web.